Welcome back to stage 2 of the Mirage GT build video series. In this video, we're going to be installing our Propshaft and gear linkage kit. Remember, a full list of the torque settings for this video can be found on our website using the link in the description below. With all of our braking components now in place, we're now ready to fit our Propshaft and gear linkage. We're going to start with our adapter plate, which is connected to our gearbox using 3 M10 socket head bolts and washers. We're going to start by loosely fitting each of these 3 bolts in place. It's advisable at this stage to apply some pressure to the clutch pedal, or to put the gearbox in neutral, which will enable us to rotate the adapter plate and gain a better access to each of our 3 bolts individually. And now, we can secure them tightly in place. Next up is our Propshaft. Be sure to position the Propshaft with the sliding end facing towards the front of the chassis, as this end will be connected to our gearbox adapter plate. It's advisable not to remove the sliding end of the Propshaft completely, as this may affect the preset balancing of our Propshaft. With our Propshaft now in position, we can now attach the front end to our adapter plate. This is secured using the 4 M10 25mm socket head bolts provided. Once again, by applying pressure to our clutch pedal, we can rotate the adapter plate and secure each of these bolts in place. The rear of our Propshaft is secured to the diff input shaft using 6 M10 20mm socket head bolts. In order to access and secure all of these rear bolts, it's advisable to use a jack to lift the rear wheels off the ground, as this will allow us to spin the wheels and rotate the Propshaft. With our Propshaft now fully installed and torqued up, we're now going to install our gear linkage kit. The gear linkage kit fits onto these 3 riv nuts and is secured in place using the bolts provided. Our gear linkage is secured to the gearbox selector rod using a pin and clip, like so. With our Propshaft and gear linkage kit now successfully installed, we're now ready to move on to the next video, where we'll be installing the cooling system.